Raju fills up several forms on the internet for availing of a personal loan.
Hello sir, I am Ramesh from XYZ agency. We are providing personal loans at an interest rate of 5% per annum.
5% only. Okay, I need the loan.
Okay sir. I will send my representative to fill your application form.
Raju fills the loan application form with all his details and provides a cancelled check to the representative. The fraudster applies for a loan using Raju's documents but gives his own account number for the disbursal of the loan. After a month, Raju receives a letter informing him 10,000 rupees is due for the loan. Raju calls the bank to inform them that he did not take any loan. But the bank shows the loan application form filled by him.
Never share your confidential details like the Aadhaar number, PAN number, checkbook or checks with unknown persons. For social cause by Kardey Intanges and co-supported by Oneshell.